Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
And today we are in Lukovica. This is our route, which will take us about 30 minutes. And for our final destination, we are stopping at...
Trojane.
What are we gonna do there?
We're gonna eat the biggest donut in Slovenia and probably over Europe. I don't know. I think so.
Our first location in municipality of Lukovica pri Domžalah is Gradiško Lake. Around the lake there are several benches, and you can just sit down, relax, enjoy the view. You can enjoy the wildlife.
There are swans here, and they also have an event. We don't know what's happening. There are some, I don't know, choni. Right now, it's time for a little bit of a coffee break.
Let's go. Next location.
When we came here, the swan was already heading towards us, but I think this swan was not friendly. He's protecting his territory. But they also have little ducks, which are very cute, and Matic has taken a video of them. And I have taken the video of the swan, but on the video he looks friendly.
Even though I'm from this municipality, I've never been to this pond. And I must say, it's really nice, it's really relaxing.
We have found a sign that says private property, so we will chill here for a little bit, but then we will get going because we don't want anyone to be mad, but it's very beautiful.
Brdo Castle near Lukovica was built in the 15th century, but today, as you can see, only its ruins remain. This is the way the castle used to look like before it was burned down in 1943 during the Second World War. Brdo pri Lukovici is the perfect destination for all nature lovers and bee enthusiasts. Let us show you why. The wind is blowing in my hair. So we wanted to try out some, natural bee products, some honey, but unfortunately they are closed during the weekend and during holidays. So we're not gonna try anything out.
I get no fish magnet. I don't know where to get the magnet for Lukovica, man. I don't know. I know that the municipalities of Slovenia, every single one doesn't has. Doesn't has, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Doesn't have.
Yeah. Okay, guys. See.
Okay.
With this, you shouldn't make fun of someone who isn't fluent in English if English isn't their first language, because we know our English is not that good, but we're still just trying to make a nice video for you guys. But yeah, this is.
We will get better at it.
We will get better at it.
A magnet from B center, it would be like, okay, I was in Lukovica, this is our first municipality done, and I cannot bite.
Because we're both hungry from all of the adventures, it's time to get some delicious food in our belly. And we are going to Furman, which is a inn or restaurant that dates back to the 17th century. We're gonna try the rokonjač golaš. The inn is named after Furmans. Furmans were horse-drawn carters in Slovenia who transported goods between towns and cities, delivering items like wood, flour, and other essentials. Their work was crucial for trade and provided a significant income for their families. The carters often stopped at this inn during their long journeys. And here is another fun fact about this place. The dish rokonjački golaš is named after the rokonjači. There were people who became rokonjači because Emperor Jože II introduced lifetime military service for boys without a land or profession. They lived in forest, survived through farm work or stealing, and they had their own rules and language. The memory of the rokonjači era is preserved in Lukovica's coat of arms, featuring a rokonjač. Let's check it out! And here is the price. This is the receipt. We paid 29.40 cents. We did it a special meal, like you can get golaš everywhere, so you need to take that into consideration. And I just like the presentation so much.
I give it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10?
8.
For me, the portion was very big. I got some leftover bread, and this leftover, you see, it's actually a lot, so I rank this meal a 9 out of 10. And guys, you should know, me and Matic, we both rank pretty high. Sometimes we watch ranking videos on YouTube and people are like, I give it a 6, but it's very delicious. And you should know we rank high, like, our 9 and 8 probably are someone 6 and 5. So
Yeah.
Now it's time for the last location.
For the dessert, for the biggest donut in Slovenia. So I chose this because Laura found it, and it's really special because it was the last one, and yeah, I like it. First Slovenian magnet, and now we're gonna eat the donuts, the biggest Slovenian donut.
Let's try it out. We're gonna try this one.
You already ate it like 12 times.
We already ate this donut, so we know how it tastes, and we like it a lot. They cost €2 each, and if you want the best combination, eat them with milk, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And I think that's it for today, guys.
I just come out of the friend zone. Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
Today we are in municipality of Vojnik. This is our route, which is gonna take us about 45 minutes.
We are traveling on this gravel road. Our driver Tica is not quite happy about this.
I don't know where can I move, not if I meet somebody on the road.
Okay, let's see. We're going down.
Oh my god. So we just parked by the house. There was no one. Suddenly 3 dogs came toward us. They were really nice. They weren't. Nobody was barking. And after that, a woman stepped out of the house.
She was very nice.
Yeah.
She said, of course, you can film here.
Let us show you around and tell you a little bit more about this place. Živio Bog dej. Ranch Kaya and Grom has been uniting animals, nature and people for over 35 years.
The ranch's philosophy revolves around respecting animals and ensuring their long-lasting and high-quality lives.
Oh, and we also found some beautiful cats. And you know, the lady said that we want to take one home, but Matic doesn't want a cat. But you know, we still got to see these horses
We
behind
already have
us.
2 cats.
Yes, the ponies, the goats, and much, much more. So, beautiful location.
Oh my god, they have so many cats.
Wow, this location was great. But we need to keep on going. We need to see what more we can visit. As you can see, my makeup is just not holding up. But yeah, we got a lot more in store for you guys, so keep on watching.
Bye guys!
Where are we driving to?
We are driving to Sveti Tomaš. You know what, guys? It's good when you have Google Earth. You can just go on the road. You can put that the person, the yellow person, the yellow
Drop
man,
them in the map.
drop that yellow man on the map, and you can watch when you need to drive.
We have some views maybe? Oh my god, yeah, we do.
Yeah, we are really high on life. Oh my
We
god.
have this jokester here.
Yes, okay.
We have made it to the Church of Saint Tomasz. Actually, this church is a bigger chapel and it dates back to the 19th century. Next to this beautiful church, we have found a beautiful tree. Matic, can you tell us more about this?
Thanks, Lali. So this is a majestic blackhorn beam tree, nearly 600 years old. It has a trunk diameter measuring 325 centimeters.
Right now, we are in the center of Vojnik.
Let's take a stroll through the center, grab a coffee, and let's see if we stumble across anything interesting. Let's go, guys.
Where are we going?
We're gonna grab a coffee.
We have just stumbled upon the thickest hazel tree in Slovenia. This tree behind me. It's called Turkish hazel or bear hazel, and it has a diameter of 290 centimeters. Okay guys, so right now we are driving to our next location and we're going to...
Castle Tabor. Now we're gonna see if there's anything happening or can we take a look. It's also private property, so we don't know what to expect. Let's go.
beautiful garden, the castle. Wow.
This castle is absolutely amazing and the history is fascinating. Let us tell you a little bit more about it so you know what you're visiting.
The Tabor Manor was built after the year 1524 by Knight Juri Lindeški. The original two-story building changed owners over the centuries. In 1802, it underwent extensive rebuilding and has since been renovated multiple times. Today, it stands as a majestic three-story structure with a square floor plan.
That stone is the shape of our country, Slovenia. The chicken. And yeah. I'm a bad boy.
You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
Behind me, there is another castle. This is Limberg Castle. Just like the one before, it is also privately owned, and today they have a wedding here, so we will be unable to film inside or, to show you more close-ups, but definitely we still want to tell you a little bit of history about this castle.
Lemberg Castle, dating back to the 12th century, was destroyed by Frederick II of Cerklje in 1453, but was rebuilt in 1584.
In 2007, the current owner bought this castle, and it has been in renovation ever since.
You really need to check it out. And behind me, wow, what a beautiful view. Slovenia has a lot of beautiful views, but this one is definitely worth visiting. And here we have our filmer in the back, my Matičko. So yeah, beautiful.
Matičke.
We're gonna leave Grad Limberg and then we're going to our next location, which is the village of Polže. The village Polže contains 5 homesteads and we're gonna visit one of them. We're going to visit Storžev's mill. Here we will explore fascinating features such as the water mill and the traditional saw. This location is really unique and offers valuable insight into historical ways of living. This is the 700-year-old water mill, which is still operating today. Locally sourced grain is ground between natural millstones into various types of whole grain flour and grits, ensuring higher nutritional value. Finally, Miller Oton shears the flour and packs it in paper bags. Lastly, we visited the sawmill, which showcases the original method of sawing logs. This allows visitors to observe historic woodworking techniques in action.
When you are visiting Storžev mill, call beforehand, make an appointment. The owner, he welcomed us really nicely. He showed us around, and after all of that, he also gave us water to drink and also
non-alcoholic beer. Yeah.
And he was really nice. Definitely you should take a trip there. Also you can sleep there.
Every corner is, taken care of.
Yeah.
Really,
Yes,
it's so beautiful. Like Matic said, worth visiting. Worth visiting!
Don't snack your break for my teach girl.
If you're visiting municipality Vojnik in the summertime and you need to cool down, you should visit this place. It's Frankolovo pool. Today we are not going to the pool because it's already the time that shopping centers are closing down and we still need to buy some food. But this is the place if you want to play any volleyball,
take a cool in the pool. The cool in the pool, in the pool. That's it. Here are some other memorable mentions. Maipingel Manor, Sotska Castle, and Frankolova Manor. If you plan to visit the castles or any other locations, it's advisable to call ahead.
Thank you so much, Oton from Sorjo's Meal,
And Manca from Ranch Kaj and Grom.
for all the hospitality, for showing us everything, and for being super nice. So we wish you all the best, and thank you very much.
See you guys in the next one.
Take care, guys. Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
Today we are in Tabor.
This is our route, which will take us about 20 minutes. So guys, we just arrived at our first location, the square Sveti Juri. This was built 1 year ago, yes. Before that was just grass, and now they held here some cultural events and children can gather, and yeah, it's pretty nice church. Hello people, welcome to our YouTube channel. Rick, 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 rick.
So when we were driving to the church, we have found this poster. It's actually for the farmers market that takes place every third Saturday in the month. So if you want to try some delicious food and buy some things, then you should visit them at, the third Saturday in the month. But now, before we go to the second location, it's time for a cup of coffee.
We are in the Cafe Lisiak, and the interior of this place is really cool. It's all wooden, and the coffee is also very good.
We have just made it from the coffee shop, and when we came here, Matic was parking his car, and we thought we saw a cat. We said, "Oh look, there's a cat." Okay,
I was in the reverse. I was going backwards, and I was like, "Oh my god, the cat! It needs to move!" And she jumped. And now, when we came back from the coffee, we saw it was a rabbit.
It's a really cute rabbit, but he's just, super chill. He's just sitting there, and then they called the owner of the rabbit, and they just said that he walks around town, But yeah, that was it was so funny for us.
From the cafe, you can see the mountain Krvavica. The name Krvavica comes from the red soil beneath the rocky peak and is associated with various legends and tales.
We see the ranch. That white thing right over there. That's the ranch.
Okay guys, so our next location is Ranch Paloma. The owner said this is all renewed. They put this up last year, so everything here is really well taken care of. As you can see, it's all wooden. You can play some ping pong here, you can grab a coffee, beer, whatever you want. This is open always, so if you want to stop here, you don't need to call ahead. You can just come here, have a drink, enjoy the views, because the views are beautiful. You have horses here, you can go horse riding. So, if you want your kids to come and horse ride, they can definitely do it here. They have camps, and your kids can sleep upstairs, and we're gonna show you where they can sleep, because this is a super cool location.
They can sleep on normal beds as well as hay. There are also other farm animals here, like this cute pig and the adorable rabbits, but their main focus are horses.
You can also sit outside, just like inside. Your kids can play. They also have, a playground. They have swings and a toboggan, a slide. They just have a slide, yeah. And they also have a football table here. And yeah, it just has a nice old type of feel, and it's really, really cool.
Luka was really nice, the owner was really nice. His girlfriend Neža was just on a horse riding, teaching.
Horse coaching,
Yeah.
Something like this, yes.
But Luka showed us around. He really gave us this nice feeling about the place. He's a really nice guy, really nice dude. You need to check this out. And yeah, now next location.
The next location we wanted to go to is actually closed, or they have an event. It's right behind us. Here is the location Laznik. We should have stopped here. They also offer, a degustation, so you can try their traditional stuff. They also show you around the property, but unfortunately today we cannot do that. But if you want to do something like that, they have an award-winning salami and call ahead if you want to try it out.
Yeah. So this location is called Hayrek by the Pond. You need to reserve beforehand. They serve food, they have weddings here, they talk to us very nicely, they're really nice people. And as you can see, here is the pond, here is the Hayrek. In the winter it's heated, but like I said, you need a reservation to eat food. This company, Lisiak, they have 3 locations. So this Hayrek by the pond, then the other location is called Najasi, when also are this kind of events like weddings, and the third one is the cafe, when we were at the start of the video.
We also saw this really cool thing we have in Slovenia, probably you have it in other places too, vending machine with farmers, products. So we're just gonna buy something new. We have made it to the vending machine, and when we were looking at things we can buy, we saw this salami right here. It is an award-winning salami, and I really want to try it out, so we're gonna buy it. They also have a lot of other stuff, but I'm really interested in this. We will see how big the salami is, and I'm super excited because, as I said, we don't have this vending machine in our hometown. So, okay, so here I have my €7. Okay, here and here. Oh my god, this is actually so cool. Wow. Okay, so we have our salami. It smells actually really good, even though it's packaged. It smells delicious. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna try out this salami.
Okay, guys, I just can't wait anymore. I wanted to film this, but this just smells amazing. We're gonna taste test it. So cheers. Oh my god. Wow.
We could eat this in one go, probably.
Yeah. This is the size for €7. You can also see the ingredients here.
So one more for Layli.
One more for Layli.
And one more for pizza. It's really good.
See you later, alligator.
Hater.
As you can see here, you can interact with farm animals. Here they have some cute rabbits. Behind me is it's not little, but a big pig. They have a lot of chickens, goats and sheep. Okay guys, so we're now at our last location. We are in Vase Tourist Farm. They also have other apartments, but we are at the bed and breakfast location. There's nature all around. They also have a swimming pool and other stuff you can do. It's great if you want to go on a bike and explore this location.
Here you have for camping, like if you come with a camping truck.
Camping truck.
Camping truck. Is it? What is it? I think it's camping truck.
RV.
RV. Okay, RV. English woman. Okay, so this is the road up to the farm. Here is a house for goats. Okay, let me film these goats.
Thank you so much, Julia, for showing us around, for telling us everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, we had fun filming it. See you in the next one.
Okay, see you in the next one.
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
Today we are in municipality of Prebold. This is our route, which is gonna take us about 20 minutes.
Rock the booth.
Here we are walking to the center of Prebold.
Now we are in the center of Prebold. As you can see, like normal center, you have the church, you have the post office, you have a mini market. Basically that's it. And this is Saint Pavel, Sveti Pavel in Slovenia. And that's it. And now we're gonna go to Pizzeria Jajček and we will try out if the food is really that good.
Okay, so we have just sat down, we placed our order. It's like a beautiful looking place. Let's see how the food tastes. By the reviews, they're pretty good. They have 4.2 stars, which, yeah, I think it will be good. I hope so, because I'm really hungry.
A few moments later.
The pizza was super delicious. We also had dessert, so we would say that all of the reviews are accurate. We also visited the Prebold pond, but there was not much to do, so here's a quick look.
This is it, this is the pond.
If we read it right, people fish here.
We have a lot more locations to go to. Let's check them out and hope we find something really, really cool.
And we did find something really cool, so don't forget to stay until the end of the video.
Destination map, either. Let's see. Whoa, hey, I didn't think that they would have this here. Discover the Valley of Green Gold. Okay. We are here. Prebold. So Prebold is... Oh, let me find. Right here, we're right here. I think we should go.
Our next stop is perfect for cooling down in the summer. It is the Prebold pool. They also have a court for volleyball and tennis, and next to it we found our really cool location, so let's check it out.
It just looks so nice, so peaceful. Oh, let's go. I'm super excited. I think they only have a machine, like you won't get fresh coffee, but you know, any coffee right now will do.
While driving around, we found 3 interesting places. The Prebold Manor, a cool track for radio-controlled models, and a hill for skydiving and paragliding.
Hi guys! We're at Drušković Pond, and at first we didn't know if we can go here. It looked very, very private, but then we said, okay, let's just check it out, and we're glad we did that because the location is very beautiful. There are a lot of hidden places where you can sit, you know, and enjoy the nature. It's really peaceful. I like it because you're alone and you can just relax, you know. They also have a cafe, or, you know, I think they also serve food. I'm not sure, but yeah, you can also grab a drink, and I'm gonna pass you off to my homie boy Matic.
No, I'm just gonna take some pictures, some videos about this place. It's really nice, yeah. I really like this place. Yeah, it's really beautiful. The owners were really nice. But yeah, we still need to go full circle. We just made a little less than a half.
Keys for the camera.
Okay guys, so we're at our next location and it's a special. Behind me are geopunctual stones, and in each stone there are cosmograms engraved in them. The cosmograms have different meanings, and you can read all about them on this wall right here. Also, of course, the nature is beautiful. They have sleeping arrangements here. So yeah, perfect location to just unwind and, feel the energy and relax, get your energy back up. So yeah, I really, really love this location. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. The theme of this is called Human Being Wake Up. It is for humans to connect to the earth and to appreciate the earth and everything it has given us.
So this one is my favorite. Awakening inner animal in a human being. Because I'm a wolf, I know that.
This one is called Living to Your True Calling, which I think is very beautiful. And yeah, when I saw this one, I just said, this one is for me. I think that all of them have great meaning, and you just need to find the one that you resonate with. And yeah, now let's go towards some drone shots. The filmer is setting up the drone. Here Matic met some locals, and they told us that we should come back here again and go on their hill because it's a great location for hiking, and also the food is supposed to be amazing. So we will maybe check that out. Let's go to our last location, which is the raccoon farm.
They don't have raccoons, but it's just called raccoon farm.
I found them on Facebook, and the products look really cool. They come in this box, and I don't know, I think it would be just a perfect gift for your loved ones. So let's check out if they are open. Okay guys, this location is not working today.
Yeah. Nobody's home, I guess.
We're just eating
Leftover from the jajčka.
Yes, we're just eating our leftover pizza with some sriracha sauce. Yes, sir. So I think this municipality was also very cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
And today we are in Škofljica. This is our route, which is gonna take us about 45 minutes. And these chickens are hostile.
If you're an introvert, this location will be good for you. Matic is holding the umbrella for me, and he said he looks like a
Simp.
sopata, like a simp.
Yes, I'm a simp.
No, he is a good boyfriend.
Okay, so we have made it to the watchtower in Orle, and the views here are amazing. You have 360 views all around, and this view behind me overlooks our capital city. But yeah, beautiful views. You can bike here, hike here, or just come by car, relax, have a coffee, and maybe eat some delicious food. And now to our next location. We're at Rače-Fram, and here we have a lot of animals. As you can see, they have this cute cat. We don't know if she is pregnant or breja, as we'd say in Slovene. But yeah, it's a beautiful location. They have a lot of other animals here. Their main focus are horses and horse riding, but they really want to showcase that all animals should be appreciated and we should take care of them. Right now, we're gonna leave this cute cat and we're gonna go check out the mini zoo. They have a lot of animals there, so let's go. What is special about this location is that they offer horse riding for children with special needs. So, definitely check them out, give them a follow button, I don't know, check out their Facebook page, because that is really beautiful for us, because Matic's brother also horse rides here and he just loves it here, he loves horses. So yeah, definitely check them out. But as I said, let's go to the mini zoo.
So now we are at the mini zoo. They have donkeys, goats, a rabbit, a pig, gooses and chicken. And these chickens are hostile because Laura tried to film it, and one chicken, I think it was this one, tried to attack Laura. She thought that her pants are some kind of food, and now Laura is gonna go in the... Oh my god, Laura, run. No.
We tried to film the mini zoo, but the chickens wanted to attack us.
Her.
Yeah, me. I think my pants looked, I don't know.
Some kind of food.
Yeah.
Oh, this was so fun.
But yeah, it wasn't funny for me. I was just running away from the chickens. But yeah, it was cool. The location is beautiful. We would just like to thank Simona for accepting us here.
And the owner, Clara.
Yes, and the owner, Clara, for letting us film here. And now on the next location.
So the mansion behind me is mansion Lisice, which was built in the 16th century. First name was Gaerau, which means water glade, but after that locals named it Lisice after the foxes in the nearby forests. Oh yeah, oh my god, Jelle. Awesome.
Awesome location.
Okay, online looks smaller. Definitely looks smaller online. Yes, this definitely looks much better, much nicer than the pictures online. Damn, son.
We are at our next location, which is an abandoned quarry with a lake inside. This location is just very beautiful. The water is emerald green. And the only bad thing about this is it doesn't have much shade, but still, we saw that some people swam in here, but we're not gonna do that today. Still, this is a hidden gem, which you should definitely check out.
I will try the water. Nice. Okay, if you need to cool down, this is the place for you. The water is really crystal clear.
But yeah, we are actually almost alone. Only two ladies came, but otherwise there were no people here. So if you're an introvert, this location will be good for you.
Maybe because it was a bad weather at the start of the day.
It was a good experience. On to the next one. Okay, so we wanted to stop at Kmetija v Pravljicah and we did stop, but unfortunately we can't show you what we filmed because we didn't get to film anything. The owner, she was really nice, you know. She told us that visitors can come every first Sunday of the month. It is a special location. They take care of animals, you know, they rescue animals. And Matic, can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, right now they have 90 animals, but in total they saved over 200 animals. Every animal has its own story, and yeah, if you love animals, you should definitely check them out. Right now we are at our next location, which is Park of Senses. So they built this last year. It features a path with informational boards about the plants. You have a viewing platform, you have a duck island, you have a bee island, and it's really chill. And the ducks are here. Yeah, there are also turtles. There you also have turtles here. And now let's get along on the path. Oh my god, they're coming to me. I don't know, birds and cats and animals love me. And fast forward. Yeah, we have made it to the viewing point platform. Let's see. Viewing platform. Oh yeah.
Nice location for relaxation.
Okay. Ali approves.
Yes, we like it.
So we are located in the old center of Pijava Gorica. What is interesting here for me is this barn behind me. It was built in the around middle 19th century, and it's the same as it was. So this well is also a part of the old city center, like the church on that side of the road.
Okay guys, and that was it for this video.
Subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next episode.
Bye!
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
And today we are in Rače-Fram. This is our route, which is gonna take us about 35 minutes. Spruce. The path. Let's go. So this big 35-meter tree behind me is Podnik spruce. What's really special about this is that its roots are of the both sides of the stream, and Romans used this path to their quarry. And when I first saw it, I was really astonished, because this is so cool. Like a little hobbit path. Frodo! From where we parked by the Saint Cross, it's a path about, I think, 5 minutes walk down.
I didn't think we had this in Slovenia. So Matic did really good research. And now to the next one.
Behind me is Podnik chestnut, which is one of the thickest chestnut tree in Slovenia. The diameter of this tree is 900 centimeters,
Can you believe it? When we saw it, we didn't believe it's so thick. Even though it was struck by lightning, it's still nice and green. And it's also hollow, so it's really cool to see, so definitely worth checking out.
Okay guys, now we are at our next location, which is the center of Fram. Right behind me, this is the church of Saint Anna, and also behind the church in the nearby forest there are ruins of the castle Fram, old castle Fram. And now we're gonna visit or film the ancient ruins of Romans aqueduct. We are at our new location, and it's for me really interesting because I love Roman history, and right here next to me is a Roman aqueduct which was built to carry water to the Petovio, ancient city Petovio, now known as Ptuj, and it's called Golden Fount.
This underground stone channel is 1.4 meters wide, 0.7 meters tall, and was built from quartz stone, rocks, and clay. It's really amazing and a cool sight to see, and I'm really excited what else this municipality has in store for us. Behind me is the oldest oil mill in Slovenia. It dates back to the year 1750. Here they process pumpkin seeds into excellent oil. After all of the filming, we got really hungry, so we stopped at Karla, where they have
Huge portions, delicious,
yes,
and really nice stuff.
yeah, super friendly, smiling, like really cool. We're really happy with the experience and the food. We would recommend this place.
Yes.
And now to our next location. Castle Rače is one of the most beautiful preserved plain castles in Slovenia. This used to be a water castle, and it was built in the beginning of the 16th century.
Through the history, the castle changed many owners. Now it's owned by the municipality of Rače-Fram. Now the castle is used for cultural and social events. On this, you can see before and after pictures. Wow. Trying to play it out that she's not mad at me, but what can I do? If your girlfriend or wife is not mad at you once a day, you're doing something wrong, or she has another guy. And that's how you make her life. Okay, now she's better. So this castle has a ditch. I think one of the few or the only one in Slovenia. Like, you see, that's why it was called the water castle, because the water is going around it. There is the bridge where we came with the car. We parked over there. We are located at landscape Rački Požeg, which is over 800 hectares area big.
Today we saw a lot of swans and some ducks, but if you look closely you will find a lot of different species, like over 200 bird species, 50 dragonfly species, and 12 amphibious species. This location is perfect for visitors seeking relaxation and a connection with nature. It is accessible to all ages. The park also offers informational boards at the entrance. It looks like it's raining over there, so I hope we will be able to see the botanical garden. But yeah, let's check it out. We have like 1 minute and we'll be there, so fingers crossed.
Right now we are located in Botanical Garden, Style 2000, covering over 6,000 square meters.
Visitors can also observe wildlife here, like some frogs. We also saw a cute little turtle, and they have dragonflies and a whole lot of different species here. So let's go, I'm excited. The garden features Slovenia's largest water and waterside plants, including the yellow floating cart, water chestnut, and the rare four-leaf European water clover. Let's check it out. They even have a special garden area for kids, where they can discover hidden treasures, and a rock and mineral collection, which of course we had to check out.
Now we're gonna have a montage when Lali films me when I run to the car.
The botanical garden was a success. Well, it was kind of a success, but the weather did not hold up, sadly. But really check it out, because the owner knows everything about the plants and knows everything about crystals or rocks. We also, of course, bought some crystals because we really like crystals. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the biggest crystal I got here. It looks just so beautiful. Look, guys. And you see, every crystal he gave us is nicely packaged, so it's transportable. If you're in this area, you need to check this out. And look, here is another one. We got this cute cat, and this. And then we got some more crystals. It caught my eye right away. More? What? More crystals? What do you mean, Ali? Yeah, and this one.
Damn.
It's really heavy. No, it's really heavy. But look how big this crystal is and how beautiful it is.
I would just like to say thank you, Roman, for
Yes, thank you.
welcoming us so nicely and showing us around and giving us a lot of information about the crystals. She really liked them.
Okay, guys, so that was it for this video.
Like and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
And this week we are in Mirna.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 15 minutes. Right behind me is one of the most important castle chapels in Gorenjska region. Lali is a little bit scared of the goats. South of Mirna lies the village of Lanšpreš. Between 1766 and 1784, the estate was owned by Peter Pavel Glavar, who built a larger chapel, one of the most significant in Dolenjska region, and the area also features a unique hayloft with stone supports. The Lanšpreš estate changed many owners throughout its history. Built by the Gellenberg family in the 16th century, it was sold to Peter Pavel Glavar in 1766, who made significant improvements. The castle was later damaged during World War II and completely demolished in 1954. Glavar was also a pioneer in Slovenian beekeeping, keeping around 200 beehives at Lanšpreš and writing one of the earliest Slovenian beekeeping manuals, advancing the craft in the region. Mirna is home to one of Slovenia's largest beverage providers, Dana, which has a tradition of over 70 years, specializing in a wide range of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, including fruit juices and mineral water. Since 1952, Dana has transitioned from strong alcoholic drinks to focusing entirely on non-alcoholic beverages with water as its leading product. This is a really nice location. You have a coffee shop.
Yes, you have a cafe where you can also eat.
Yeah.
Then you have a pond.
Mirna pond.
Yes.
And on the hill behind the pond is the Mirna castle.
And this castle is amazing. Let's go check out the castle.
Oh no, I'm not for hiking. Also Laura. But I see the sign on the right of the castle.
Behind me is Mirna Castle, one of the oldest castles in Slovenia. It was built in the late 11th century. It's located on a hill, and the views from inside are stunning, overlooking the beautiful landscape. The castle was heavily damaged during the Second World War, where the partisans burned it down and mined it in December of 1942. In 1961, Dr. Marko Mari started restoring the castle. By 1991, he restored key elements, but the castle is still not fully restored. The pond is very close, so if you visit the pond, definitely hike up to the castle and check it out. Matic approves. Here they also have a trim track called Trimigo. It is a track for working out, meant for athletes as well as amateurs. It's 6 kilometers long and you have 13 stops and 11 workout stations or workout machines. The track is in the shade and next to a beautiful stream.
In Mirna you can also find this beautiful church. This is the church of Saint Janez Krstnik.
Finally, we are located at our last location, which is called Zoo Park or Ranch Aladdin. Here they have 40 species and over 130 animals from all parts of the world. Okay, oh no, the goats, Lali quick, the goats. He has a nice beard. This is my dude. This is my homie dog. Nice beard, bro.
I'm a little bit scared of the goats.
Lali is a little bit scared of the goats. I will just walk around. He knows where.
He knows where the treats are.
Yeah.
We just need to check if we have €1 because these treats are €1 and look at him. He really wants the treats.
Oh. Corn, it's corn.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is like a big dog. If you give them the food, they will be even closer to you.
Okay.
No, I only have €2.
No.
I don't have a euro.
They want this food. Okay, so over the park you have a lot of places to sit down, a lot of playgrounds for children. They have a lot of stuff like this. Here you can, shoot at each other. They have a zip line.
Yeah, they have a slide.
Yeah, a lot of
Slides.
stuff. So it's really, for children, I think this location will be very interesting. Even for us, it's really cool.
So they have some species that our main zoo in Ljubljana doesn't have.
Yeah. Yeah, doesn't have.
Yeah, I'm learning.
I didn't expect it to have so many sitting areas, so many playgrounds for children and everything, everything is really well taken care of. They have a lot of informational boards about everything, so that's really interesting. You can read what the animals eat, where they're from, what are their names. So yeah, I think it's really, really cool. And my favorite animal we have seen so far was the raccoon. It's really, it's just so cute.
I'm gonna show you what's my favorite animal. I didn't remember the name in English. We need to film it, we need to go back and translate it.
Okay guys, we're gonna get some beer. We have the coin here, so let's try it out. You just put it right here. Let's see. Oh, I think it works. Whoa. I'm doing a good job or no, Matic?
You are a master.
I don't drink beer, but this is really cool. I think this is it. Okay, I did it.
It's a good beer, and you get a good amount. The beer costs €2.50, which I think
It's normal.
A good price. You also have coffee. You have vending machines here, and I think food, a lot of stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, guys, you have a lot of games like this here. So we're gonna show you a few.
They have everything, from dinosaurs, different rides to trampolines, and much more. You can also stay overnight in Santa's cottage and glamping houses, something we definitely need to check out in the future.
We would like to say a big thank you to Damian for showing us around, for accepting us, and we wish you all the best.
That was it for this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one.
Bye!
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
And today we are in Žužemberk.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 25 minutes.
This castle is one of the prettiest castles in Slovenia.
Bye, Lali! Bye, Lali!
Look at this beautiful view behind me. I really like this municipality. It's beautiful, really.
Yes, it is.
The village well in Ajdovec is a rare example, built in 1932. It has a special plumbing system called
The Paternoster. It worked like pumps along the Nile in Egypt, using metal plates linked together with small cups. As the plates turned, they picked up water and poured it out at the wheel's edge.
Only two like this exist in Slovenia. After World War II, it was abandoned in the 1960s.
As you can see behind me is Krka, one of the only major rivers that creates tufa,
which is a stone called Lakovec or Lehnjak by the locals.
There are at least 90 tufa barriers on the river. The most unique ones are right behind me. The other ones you can find at Rače-Fram and under the Žužemberk castle. So tufa is made of calcium carbonate and is porous or has little holes. It forms on moss and aquatic plants, making it light and soft.
Upstream, the Krka is a canyon river, perfect for kayaking and rafting. In the middle and lower parts, the river comes down, making it better for canoes and stand-up paddle boards.
About 220 years ago, larger metal factories began to develop next to ironworks, where metals were melted again. Most of today's factories come from this tradition.
The ironworks and foundry in Dvor near Žužemberk operated from 1796 to 1891. It was the largest iron factory in Slovenia,
known for many artistic castings still preserved today. Starting in 1820, the foundry focused on iron casting. They produced practical items for industry and artistic pieces like candlesticks, plates, stoves, and railings for balconies and bridges. Notably, parts of the Cobbler's Bridge in Ljubljana and the first trolleys for the railway in Postojna caves were made in Dvor. However, high production costs and competition led to a decline, and the blast furnace was shut down in 1891.
The main purpose of the museum is preserving artistic and technical cultural heritage. You can see a collection of original castings,
history foundry in Dvor compared with the present, the demonstration of smelting, manufacture of molds and casting.
I am sitting in a triple tree house located on indoor trees here in Žužemberk. You have 3 tree houses. They're about 20 square meters big and they're all connected by a staircase.
This was designed by students, mostly by Spanish architects. The whole structure is made of wood and steel. A special feature is how the houses are attached to the trees using special screws that don't go into the trunk, keeping the trees healthy.
We just bought a new house. We have the castle view.
We have a castle view and a river view. What did you show them?
The river view. First room, second room, and the third room over here. Nice.
Right now, I am standing under the pavilion next to the Žužemberk castle. Behind me are the old remains of the church that used to stand here.
This was the church of Saint Jakob, later dedicated to Saint Joseph. Built in 1317, it was originally owned by the castle lords, but was demolished around 1955.
I think just Žužemberk has so many beautiful things. You just want to stop everywhere and look at everything up close because it's really interesting.
Next to the pavilion and in front of the Žužemberk castle, there is a cast iron fountain, which was made in the 1960s at the iron foundry which we saw before in Dvor.
Here is a fun fact about Žužemberk. Before they started playing films in Slovenia, the first Slovene actress was already in Hollywood, and this is her.
Her name was Rosalija Trzin, but she worked under the stage name Zala Zarana. In 1921, she landed her first significant role in the American film Wheel of Fortune. Later that year, she gained further roles in films like The Merry Widow, Backfire, The Big City, Wings, and several others. Altogether, she appeared in 20 silent films, performed in theaters, and wrote several short plays. She stepped away from the film world with the arrival of sound films.
We are inside the Žužemberk castle, and this castle is very huge. From the inside, it's much bigger than I expected, and on the entrance it says it dates to the year 1000. But the first descriptions or the first writing where the castle appears are around 1246. And here are some other fun facts about the castle.
Throughout the Middle Ages, the castle changed owners frequently, with the Habsburgs inheriting it in 1374 and leasing it in 1538 to Wolf and Yuri Elgenberg of Turia. Wolf's son Andrei Auersberg defended the castle against the Turks in 1593, after which it passed to the Auersberg family. A fire in 1591 destroyed much of the structure, leading to a rebuild that gave it a fortified appearance. The outer wall with 6 towers remains, but was heavily damaged during World War II.
This castle is very beautiful and is one of the prettiest castles in Slovenia. It is also open to public. The entrance is free. The entrance to the lookout tower is also free. Everything here is free. You can just come inside and look at whatever you want. You have informational boards about the castle, and the views from inside are stunning, overlooking the Krka River and the beautiful landscapes surrounding the castle.
Okay, let's see our reaction of the view
From the church.
from the church. Okay, I don't gonna look.
Oh, I already looked.
I don't look too.
Oh, wow, it's wow.
Oh, look the castle. Oh my god. Yeah. The main parish church is on a beautiful hill above Žužemberk. In Celtic times, there was a village and a road here. Later, the church of Saint Janez Krstnik was built and dedicated to Saint Mohor and Fortunata
In the 14th century, the church burned down in 1944, including its organ. It was rebuilt in 1994, and in 2005 a new badge organ was added.
That was it for this video.
Like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
And today we are in Cerklje na Gorenjskem.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 25 minutes.
So right now we are our first pond. 2 ponds are in this municipality, and this is pond Lahoče.
This spot is perfect for anyone that loves fishing. The pond supports fish breeding and welcomes both beginners and experienced fishers. It is managed by the local fishing association.
Pizza is relaxing and getting the vitamin D from the sun.
If you love chilling in nature, this location will be perfect for you. We're gonna check out the center a little bit, but behind us is Prebold, which was once a old farmhouse, but then in the middle 18th century, it was turned into a large brick house with a decorated front. The house shows the wealthy lifestyle of its owners. In the mid-19th century, the house took on its current form, with 1863 carved above the portal, making it the start of its use as a guest house. And now we're gonna check out what it's used for today. We are at the front entrance of Prebold, and here it says it's a tourist informational center, a museum, and a gallery.
Also
Sorry, yes.
Yeah, sorry. Also a library.
I didn't say, oh, yes, I'm sorry, I forgot.
It doesn't matter. It's okay.
In 1886, Ivan Hribar, a famous mayor of Ljubljana at the time, bought an old house here, which he transformed into his summer residence.
What is interesting about this house is its richly decorated interior and the beautiful wooden facade. And another thing worth mentioning about this house is that it was the first electrically wired house in Cerklje, installed after a power plant in 1924.
And now the villa is managed by Gorenjska banka.
Okay guys, so in the last episode we found out who was the first Slovenian actress in Hollywood, but this time we are here with the father of Slovenian theater, Ignacy Borštnik. He lived in this house behind us.
He was born on the 1st of July, 1858.
He began his acting career in the Ljubljana Drama Society, where he performed under the name Gorazd. After studying acting in Vienna, he returned to Ljubljana to lead a drama school and direct important plays, including Veronika Desetniška for the opening of the Provincial Theatre or Deželno gledališče in 1892. In 1894, Borštnik moved to Zagreb, where he spent 25 years shaping modern Croatian theatre. Borštnik was not only an actor, director, but also a writer, translator, poet, and an early pioneer of film art. All through, he wrote a few works, such as Stari Ilija and Ni moj okus. These did not gain lasting recognition. Borštnik played over 400 roles during his career and made a lasting mark on Slovenian and Croatian theatre. His contributions are still celebrated today through the Borštnik Theatre Festival in Slovenia, which awards the prestigious Borštnik Ring, the highest recognition for acting in the country. And now we're going to the castle.
Of the 12 medieval castles in the area of the present-day municipality, Stamor Castle is the only one still preserved. Driving along the road between Češnjevek and Dvorje, you can see its impressive structure beneath the Cerklje forest hillside. So a long time ago here was a bridge which separated the castle from the land, and it was used for protection from the Turks invasion.
It was built in 1287.
The original owner, Variant Starmolski, held it until the 15th century. Afterward, the castle changed owners many times. The Raini family owned it in the 15th century, and in the 17th century, Baron von Hussenstein reinforced the walls and updated the interior. The castle's last owners were Rado and Ksenia Hribar, well-known supporters of the arts, who were sadly executed in 1944.
After World War II, it was nationalized and is now owned by the government. So the castle, as you can see now, is beautifully preserved. You have different rooms in the castle, you can sleep here, some people also get married here. And even if you don't want to sleep here or get married here, you can still enjoy the beautiful cafe. It's not up at the castle, but it's down by the pond. And we're gonna check it out and see if the coffee is good. And then we're gonna go to our next location. We are at this pond now, and we're a little bit confused because of this.
I'm really confused.
Yes.
So, this is for members and this is tourists. But there is no other ponds on the right side, only this one. Only this little one.
We're gonna go check out and see. We have found the tourist pond.
Yes, we have, okay.
And it's really big.
So guys, we are at our last pond of this municipality. This is Pond Češnjevek. And we just saw a family who were walking around the pond. There they are. So it's a walkable path around the pond. And one interesting thing about this pond is that it's home to Europe's largest dragonfly, Cordulogaster hero. And also the pond is part of Natura 2000, which means it has been recognized for its Europe ecological value. Another interesting thing about Češnjevek is that it was once known for its brick production. The village had several clay pits that were used for making bricks. Over time, the pits filled with water and turned into ponds, which can still be seen today. If you want to relax, you can come here, you can walk around. And that's pretty much it. You are not allowed to swim, so by water, sorry, I cannot try you out. Gangnam Style, let's go! Just north of Adragas you will find Velesovo, home to the Church of Saint Maria and a former Dominican monastery. The church was first built in 1238 and has a long and interesting history. Originally, the church was made of wood, but after it was damaged in a Turkish attack in 1471, it was rebuilt. It holds the oldest statue of Saint Maria in Slovenia, dating back to around 1220. Beneath the church are catacombs where the nuns have been buried. Today, the church is still a parish church and remains an important cultural and historical site. Just like the church, the monastery here was mostly made of wood at first, but was rebuilt after the attack. It was renovated between 1732 and 1771. In 1782, the Austrian Emperor Joseph II closed the monastery and turned it into a hospital and later a women's residence. The village name Adragas sounds German, but it isn't. It likely comes from German-speaking nuns who settled there, combining phrases like an der Gasse, on the street, or an der Gras, on the grass, as the village grew around their monastery.
If you're traveling to Slovenia, then you will land on this airport. This is our main airport and our only airport here in Slovenia. It is the airport of Jože Pučnik. Another thing you can do in this municipality is visit Krvavec, which is a popular ski resort close to Ljubljana, making it an ideal destination for both winter sports enthusiasts and nature lovers. It is the tallest peak in the Kamnik Alps, offering stunning panoramic views of the surrounding area. Krvavec has 30 kilometers of ski slopes, which are suitable for anyone, from beginners to experienced skiers. However, Krvavec isn't just about skiing. The resort provides a range of activities throughout the year, including hiking in the summer. For a special experience, Krvavec also offers the opportunity for a romantic dinner. Dinner on the cable cars, located 1,500 meters above sea level, something we definitely need to try in the future.
That's it for this video.
Like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one.
Bye! Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
And this week we are in Trzin.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 25 minutes. Oh my god, guys, a Slovenian pyramid! Oh, look at this!
Time for the third smallest municipality. Okay guys, so right now we are walking, but we don't know where exactly we need to go. Wow!
Oh, oh, the sun, yeah, oh.
The first sunshine of the day in Ljubljana. It's very foggy here. We started our journey on like an educational trail and made it to our first location, which is the Vrnichtov Bayer or pond. As you can see, Trzin is mostly covered by forest and has many beautiful walking paths.
Popular routes include the Trim Track for runners, the Onger and Trzinska Forest Educational Trail. This Trim Track is right by the pond and you have 20 stations, but we're not gonna go around today because it's cold, very cold as you can see, and everything is frozen. But definitely a nice activity to relax if you love walking around and trimming. We should also let you know that this area is a habitat for many endangered species and plants, and one of the plants is also in Trzin's coat of arms. It's called žerjavček, but in English it's pronounced marsh tulip. The municipality of Trzin includes 5 natural heritage sites. The ecologically important areas of Rače-Fram, Dobeno, Gobavica, and the special protection area Natura 2000 site of Rače-Fram. Trzin played an important role in the Slovenian War of Independence in 1991, as one of the key battles took place near the Trzin bridge, which I am standing on right now, over the Pšata river. The battle was fought between the Yugoslav People's Army, JNA, and the Slovenian Territorial Defense, TIO, on the 27th of June in 1991, as part of the 10-day war for Slovenia's independence. In this particular engagement, 4 JNA soldiers and 1 member of the TIO lost their lives in this battle. To remember the events of the War for Slovenia, there is also a monument placed on this house behind me. It was the most heavily damaged house during this time, the Gregić house. Another thing we found is this pole with the Slovenian flag on it, and we think that on the bottom there are lyrics of the Slovenian anthem, but it's frozen so we couldn't quite see, but we do think those are the lyrics written on there.
This watchtower is so random. Yesterday, when I was preparing what we're gonna talk about it in this municipality, I randomly found it. It's so freaking random. What the hell? I didn't know. I drive past this like once a week, and I never saw it because it's behind the houses, and it's really hidden, but not anymore. So let's check it out. We thought we're gonna get some views, but we just saw a sign which says
that they are, I don't know, renovating it, I guess.
Yeah.
I thought we would get the beautiful...
It looks good, but we don't gonna go on it, so...
Yeah, it looks sturdy, but maybe next time.
Maybe next time, yeah.
But look at the views. Show them the views.
Show them the views. Show them the views. We won't go. Probably we could go, but we are not rebels. Just a quick stop. I just want to show you where I get my trim done. So it's in this house, Elite Barber Shop. I can't wait. In a few days I get my freshly trim my hair, and yeah, let's go to the next location. So in the last episode we visited Ivan Hribar's villa, summer villa in Cerklje na Gorenjskem, and now we are at his birthplace in Trzin, Jefačnikova domačija, Jefačnik's farm. The original house burned down, but in 2008 the municipality bought the place and turned it into a cultural monument. The renovated farm was opened in 2014 and now houses a museum. It features a room dedicated to Hribar, a display on the national liberation struggle, and exhibits about Trzin's history, including a butchery craft exhibit. The museum is interactive, offering activities for children and also for adults. Unfortunately, because of last year's flooding, the museum is currently closed.
while exploring the Pačnikova farm, we stumbled upon this board, where it's written that Trzin has
a dynamic history which goes back into the New Stone Age.
An archaeological site discovered on Unker Hill and the small stone eggs found in a quarry show this long history. But that's not all.
On this board it says that Trzin is also known for its wooden hay racks, and we're gonna go check out one right now. Okay, so we have made it under the Tomšenov Toplars hay rack, and this is a museum outdoors, an outdoor museum. You can see different things they used in the past. And one thing we saw over there, it says it was used for hay cutting, for cutting hay.
And you can find even more interesting things that they used. Most of them have tags on them, so you know what you're looking at.
And another one which has a tag on it is this one, and it was used for planting potatoes. As you can see, it was used around 1950s. In the 1950s it was used. So this museum is very interesting. It's also free. You can check it out. And there upstairs is also a part of the museum, but it's closed. Someone needs to come and open the museum for you. But definitely we're checking out and just looking how we have evolved in using farming tools. So very interesting location.
The most important cultural and artistic monument in Trzin is this church behind me. This is the Church of Saint Florian, built in the middle of 14th century. It was first mentioned in a list of church treasures in 1526. In 1902, it received its first permanent priest, and since January 1st, 1974, it has been an independent parish. The church houses works by some of Slovenia's most notable artists. Among the church's artworks, you can find pieces from the famous Ljubljana sculptural workshop, as well as works by artists such as Franz Jelovšek, Leopold Lajer, both Matija Bradašeks, the younger and the older, and even Jože Plečnik.
So behind us is the Slovene pyramid.
Oh yeah, we have pharaoh on inside.
Yeah, but no, this is actually a industrijska zona.
Yeah, industrial zone. Here are a lot of companies, and inside of the pyramid there is a post office, a bar,
yes,
a bakery, and probably some of the offices, so, and that's probably it. So
yeah, so this is actually just a office space. So
yeah.
It's nothing you can actually do in there, but it's still a cool thing to see because it's
a pyramid.
Yeah, it's a pyramid. We also have a pyramid in Slovenia, so maybe just take your photo in front of it if it's interesting to you. Okay guys, so in the last episode, Žužemberk, we got this really cool comment. So here it goes. Municipality 10 of 212 done. That's it for this video.
Like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one. Bye!